Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ladder for home use that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HBTower folding step ladder with handrail. This HBTower model hits that sweet spot for everyday home jobs. The steel frame feels solid underfoot. The wide anti-slip steps help you plant your feet with confidence. The built-in handrail adds a welcome sense of balance when you climb. It folds thin for closet or pantry storage. The feet grip well on tile, wood, and low-pile rugs. Set it up in 2 seconds. Climb and get the task done. If you need a dependable stepladder for kitchens and closets, this one fits neatly into daily life. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LANBITOU 14FT multi-position A-frame ladder. The LANBITOU is a true multi-position workhorse. It transforms from an A-frame to an extension ladder. It also adapts to stairs, which is a big win in split-level homes. The 14-foot reach makes it practical for gutters and second-story windows. The aluminum build keeps weight manageable for its size. Anti-slip rungs and secure locks add confidence when you're high up. It folds down smartly for the trunk or garage. If you need one ladder to handle many jobs, this is a strong contender for the best ladder for home use with height needs. At number 3, we have the SocTone 12.5 FT telescoping extension ladder. This SocTone telescoping ladder shines for portability. The 12.5 FT height covers most indoor and light outdoor work. 2 triangle stabilizers improve ground contact and reduce wobble. The aluminum frame keeps it light and easy to carry. Retraction is smooth when used with care. The compact fold makes it a favorite for RVs, condos, and small garages. Use it for attic access, light maintenance, and quick roof checks. It's a smart choice if the best ladder for home use also needs to travel well. At number 2, we have the HBTower 5-step aluminum ladder with tray. This 5-step HBTower gives you height with comfort. The aluminum frame keeps it light, even with 5 steps. The top tray holds paint, screwdrivers, or tape measures. Anti-slip steps feel secure when you climb and reach. I like it for high cabinets, ceiling fans, and tall shelves. It folds fast and fits against a garage wall. The safety lock helps the ladder stay put when open. If you want the best ladder for home use for light painting and indoor reach, this is a strong pick. And finally, at number 1, we have the SocTone 14.5 FT A-frame multi-position ladder. This SocTone model is a multi-position ladder with smart extras. The stabilizer bar adds width at the base, which helps reduce sway. The removable tool tray is a practical touch. At 14.5 FT, you can reach gutters and high trim with confidence. It changes modes to fit stairs, A-frame, or extension use. Locks feel positive when set right. It's a do-it-all choice for busy homes. If you want the best ladder for home use that also works outdoors, this one covers more tasks per dollar. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.